BDO Transfer Online. How to enroll and send money to other BDO accounts. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. For today's video, mag-transfer ako ng pera to other BDO account. And since ang gusto kong i-transfer is more than 10,000 pesos, kailangan ko munang i-enroll yung account na yon sa BDO account ko, which we will do first. And after natin makapag-enroll, mag-transfer na tayo ng pera. And this time, I'll be using my mobile phone. So, importante na ma-install mo muna yung BDO app, katulad dito, sa cellphone mo. You can install it from Play Store or Apple Store. So, I'll open this BDO app. And then log in with my user ID and password. And click login. Kapag first time mo mag-login sa cellphone, mag-ask pa to ng OTP or one-time password is sent sa cellphone number mo. Since second time or third time ko na to mag-login using this phone, hindi na ako ni-require. So, ito, nagpakita agad yung balance ko. So, what I need to do is click send money dito sa bandang baba. And meron ditong option na mag-transfer ba ako sa enrolled account dito sa first option or sa not enrolled account. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, mag-transfer ako ng more than 10,000 pesos. So, kailangan ko munang i-enroll yung account. So, to do that, I'll click more. And then click enrollment services. And then click enroll other person's account. And then I'll type in here the account number. And then choose the account type. For this time, it's a checking account. So, i-double check nyo dun sa owner ng account number kung savings account ba siya or checking account or any other type of account. Kasi, tulad dito, marami siyang list. And then, preferred nickname. And then, the destination email. And after I enter yung email address, sinabi rito na this request requires an ATM activation. For clients residing abroad, you may use send money facility. So, after this, kailangan ko i-activate to through ATM. So, I'll click continue. And I have to confirm all these details. And kung tama naman lahat, click continue. And here's the confirmation. I have until Feb 10, I think more than 1 month to activate the account. Ito yung email and text na na-receive ko from BDO. So, I need to enter this code pag inactivate ko na yung fund transfer through ATM. And this is how I did it through ATM. Then I pick other services, followed by activate enrollment fund transfer. So here's the code na na-receive ko sa SMS. And click continue. And enter the PIN code. And here's the confirmation. And here's the receipt saying na your request has been accepted for validation. And after ko ma-activate through ATM, ito na rin yung email na na-receive ko saying na confirmed na, pwede na ako mag-fund transfer sa account na to and enrolled na siya sa BDO online account ko. Again, pag hindi enrolled yung account number sa BDO online account mo, ang limit niya is 10,000 pesos per day. But since in-enroll ko na siya ngayon, pwede ako makapag-transfer ng 20,000 pesos. At yun yung itatry natin ngayon. So, I'll open my BDO app again and log in. And dito sa bandang baba, I'll click send money. And yung first option is enrolled fund transfer. This is to your own BDO account or to another person's account na in-enroll mo nga dito. So, I'll click the first option. For send from, I'll pick my account. And isa lang naman ang account ko sa BDO, so I'll pick this one. For send to, if I'll tap this, you have an option to own or to another person. So I'll click another person. And ito na yung list ng BDO account na na-enroll ko na before. So ito yung in-enroll ko kanina, so I'll click this one. And for send money schedule, I want it immediate. Actually, you have other options here. So, I'll tap this to show. Pwedeng later date. Pwede mo ilagay kung kailan mo gustong mag-reflect yung transfer. Pwede ring regular scheduled date. Kung gusto mo may frequency like monthly, weekly ba, like here, or daily ba. So, I don't want that. I'll just pick immediate. then click continue. For the amount, I'll transfer 25,000 pesos. And for the remarks, any notes will do. And confirm all these details, and kung tama naman lahat, click continue. So, here's the reference number. Make sure na i-take note or i-save nyo tong reference number in case na kailangan nyo mag-raise ng concern sa BDO kung may nangyaring aberya sa pag-transfer ng money online. So, I'll just take a screenshot of this. And that's it. Please like this video if tingin nyo na nakatulong kami. And you may continue watching these videos. I hope na makatulong to sa inyo. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.